Here's my forklift. The driver goes all the way to the top, which is up there. So over here on this side, see, we got lots of boxes full of computer parts. We know where everything is because it's all labeled. Let's see there. Some of this stuff is on consignment, which means we don't own it, but we're holding it and I ship it, and we typically keep half the sale and send the other half to the owner of the equipment there. I got lots of racks and legacy computers. See those 19-inch rack computers in that aisle right there. And there's some more boxes. Oh, there's the AT&T 386s that have those 40 meg IDE hard drives. And there's the 386DX version of it. You can see you got lots of boxes stored up there. Here's more pallets of computers there and there. There's lots of them there. A bunch of IBM PS2s down there. I got lots of old legacy Dells and terminals and monitors right there. More legacy computers. A bunch of IBM PS2s from the 90s. See all those clone computers I have up there? So we got a lot of those. IBM PC 350 computers. More up there. I got my own wood shop here. We make pallets and anything else we need to fabricate for using around the warehouse. And there's more computers over here. There's a chainsaw. I do all my own tree limbs cutting whenever the trees grow up and start hitting the warehouse. More computers there. More. There's my boss leaving. Bye, Fred. There's more computers there and terminals up there. Some old Apple computers, more IBM computers, monitors, more parts there. It goes on and on and on. I got over 70,000 part numbers in the warehouse. This is some of our older shelving that's shorter. I'm slowly getting rid of that and moving into the pallet racks as needed. And these really don't hold as much as the other stuff does. The tall racks hold a lot more. There's my boss pulling out in his BMW. Over here is my gym, or exercise. There's my little car. Here's another warehouse on our campus. We got 3 buildings on the campus. This one is full of bulkier stuff. You see right there. There's probably 700 pallets in this building right here. There's some more of my forklifts. That one goes all the way up with the driver, and those other 2 are reach trucks, so they reach in and grab pallets and pull them out.